Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A77s. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Then try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back. Enter lock screen and also make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow in Celsius?
It will be mostly cloudy with a high of 20 degrees Celsius and a low of 11.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.